So I got my doors painted yesterday. I'm thinking I'll hang those suckers and get them out of the way. I need a striker, and I just don't know what I did with it. And I've got way too much crap drug out, so it's cleanup time again. Been looking for a pair of gloves. This have to do. I think I need a break. Dog out. Where am I going to put all this junk? Go to the barn. So I'm out here still trying to clean up the shop. I've got my BFF here, and I've got to make a bracket for the motor. So I'm going to go ahead and mount the motor because I've got to put this thing in the attic. I need to get all that done before I stick it up there. I don't want to have to be working in that heat. So in order to clean up the shop, my BFF's got to find someplace else to be, which is going to be upstairs. So we're going to make the bracket for the motor, and then we're going to try to figure out how to get this mess up there. Stairwell's not quite big enough. Figure out my setup for my motor. Guess I'm gonna have to take my BFF apart. Gonna have to take it apart, see if we can get it upstairs. Most of the weight right here. Well, my BFF made it upstairs, thanks to my son. Hot up there. What I found, strikers. So gotta take the brake pads off. Somebody painted the rotors when they painted the frame, so it doesn't want to roll very well. So we're gonna have to take the brake pads off. Well, I put some stuff out back of the shop. I found one of these. You know what that means. Well, I caught a few brim, ran out of worms, so I guess I gotta go back and clean up. Maybe. We'll see. All this cleaning up makes a man hungry. I think it's that time. All right, so we got the doors on. Next will be the fenders. But before we can do that, we've got to move the truck out, finish cleaning the shop, sort of, maybe, see if it happens. But I've got another project I got to get in here and get done. So anyway, thanks for joining us. We'll catch y'all next time. Stay cool. Do roof repair, you always wait for the hottest day. Just want some AC.